A very lovely morning to all of you present on this auspicious day. A beautiful day, a beautiful venue, and an even more beautiful occasion, isn't it? I am Jia Solanki, your host for today, and I would like to welcome all of you on behalf of Yudiz Solutions. Milestones are a great mirror of collective effort, thought, and vision. They are an opportunity to look on the past, appreciate the present, and hope for better in the future. This event is one such milestone that signifies months and months of rigorous efforts, endless meetings, and continuous preparations, and most of all, an undying vision. And today, Yudiz is witnessing one such milestone. A milestone that opens Yudiz to a plethora of possibilities and insurmountable growth, and we all hope to see Yudiz become a global name. Who better to celebrate this success with than the faces of this movement, isn't it? I would like to call upon the dignitaries of today. On the dais, Mr. Ashish Goyal, Vice President NSE. Sir, I request you to please come on the dais and join us here. Mr. Ashish Goyal, Vice President NSE. Mr. Bharat Patel, Chairman and Director at Yudiz Solutions. Mr. Pratik Patel, Managing Director at Yudiz Solutions. Mr. Chirag Lewa, sir, CEO and Director at Yudiz Solutions. The claps shouldn't stop, isn't it? Mr. Suraj Chokhani, Director at Yudiz Solutions. And Mr. Pankaj Pasi, Director at Narnolia and Longview Research. I welcome all the dignitaries as well as the supporters present here with us today to witness a rather extraordinary achievement and to cheer us on for further endeavors. Moving along, I request all of you to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all. Please be seated. Any achievement is half done without the blessings of God. Therefore, I request our dignitaries today to please light the lamp and offer our prayers to Lord Ganesha and seek blessings for energy and a bright future. Please, sirs, I request all of you to light the lamp.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तु ते दिव्या दिव्या रे दीपत्कार, कानी कुंडल मोतीहार, दिव्याला पाहून नमस्कार, तिळाचे तेल कापसाची वार, दिवा तेवे देवा पाशी, उजेड पडे विष्णू पाशी, माझा नमस्कार सर्व देव देवतांपाशी, ये ग लक्ष्मी बैस ग बाजे, माझं घर तुला साजे, घरातली इडापिडा बाहेर जाऊ दे, बाहेरची लक्ष्मी घरात येऊ दे, घरच्या सर्वांना उदंड आयुष्य सुख समाधान शांती लाभू दे.
Thank you so much, sirs. Let us hope that Lord Ganesha forever gives us blessings. To talk about Yudiz as a company briefly, Yudiz Solutions Limited is a global blockchain, AI and gaming-focused enterprise solutions technology company. Incorporated in 2011, possessing an international presence, this Ahmedabad-based company is rather a leading IT services provider and cutting-edge solutions in web and mobile app space, including AI, ML, AR, VR and IoT. Truly a prideful product of Gujarat soil. Additionally, Yudiz is recognized for delivering scalable, cost-effective solutions in state-of-the-art technology in various sectors including healthcare, edtech, fintech, human resources, social networks, F&B, and various other sectors. Currently, Yudiz is proudly harboring over 400 employees and strongly growing further and has a unique mix of young minds and industry experts. Yudiz proudly boasts of having more than 600 delivered projects in its portfolio. Yudiz is growing at a fast pace, expanding both in infrastructure and human resource and leveraging innovative technology in the metaverse and Web 3.0 space, which makes them a great contributor to the industry at not just national but international level given their current presence. We are gathered here today for the listing of Yudiz on our esteemed NSE platform, accompanied by Yudiz's merchant banking company, Narnolia and Longview Research. To talk more about the listing, I would like to call upon Vice President of NSE, Mr. Ashish Goyal on the dais. I request him to please come on the dais and share about listing experience.
Very good morning and a very warm welcome. National Stock Exchange welcomes Yudiz Solution Limited to the family of NSE listed companies. A big round of applause for the promoters, for the team, and for the shareholders who have decided to partner Yudiz in its journey for growth and development. Incidentally, this is the 346th listed company on NSE eMerge platform. I congratulate Mr. Bharat S. Patel, Mr. Chirag Liova, Mr. Prateek Patel, Mr. Suraj Chokhani, Mr. Amit Joshi, G.R. Roy, Utpal Vaishnav, Vidur Bogilal, the independent directors. A specific mention for Narnolia Financial Services Limited, the merchant banker, who are quite committed in terms of getting good and quality companies listed on National Stock Exchange. The entire team of Yudiz Solutions Limited is to be complimented. My special mention for shareholders, as I was telling you, who have decided to invest in this company in its journey towards growth and development. The Yudiz issue was 44.84 crores at a price of 165, and it got a collection of 153 crores, which is 3.42 times. At NSE Emerge, we have listed 346 corporates. The total amount that we have raised is 6,412 crores, and the market cap is approximately 75,000 crores. This listing not only brings in the money for the promoter, but it has incremental benefits. I was speaking to Bharat Bhai, and I'm quite motivated since a lot of promoters, also, the prospective promoters for MSME listing are present today. This listing not only brings the public money, it opens the door for institutional investors, the mutual funds, the HNIs, and going forward, things can turn around for the company. In terms of visibility, this listing has an incremental benefit in terms of being traded on national stock exchange, around 2 lakh trading terminals with more than 35,000 plus locations. In terms of governance, in terms of corporate governance, the norms of listing will facilitate the company in moving forward in a significant way. The financial governance, the corporate governance will facilitate Yudiz to move forward in its journey for growth. The amount of credibility will take a manifold increase once the company gets listed on the National Stock Exchange. So I was discussing with the promoter here as to what are the eligibility norms for listing. The eligibility norms as per regulations are different, but the main norms which shareholders are looking for is exponential business growth. Okay? The second norm which the shareholders who want to participate in your journey are looking for scalable business opportunity. And the third thing the shareholders are looking for is sound financial statement. So these three together can bring you to the exchange platform for listing. There are a lot of stakeholders, not only apart from the company and its shareholders and its employees. The government of India is looking at good quality companies, especially in the IT sector, in which incidentally Yudiz is a part, to contribute to the exports of our nation, to contribute to the GDP of our nation. The state government is looking for young enterprising companies who come up for stock exchange listing and scale up the business for the state of Gujarat. The investors are looking at good incremental wealth creation opportunities in the system. Even Bharat Bhai, your peer groups are looking at increasing the size and magnitude of this entire IT companies in Gujarat. With these words, I again congratulate the promoters, the chairman, the board of directors, the team, and the merchant bankers on this listing. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. The listing is just 2 minutes away, but before that, I would like to call upon Mr. Bharat sir on the dais to share a brief few words.
Good morning, everyone. It's been an honor to be in front of you guys because you are just not anybody else but the family. And I believe the family is the biggest strength. Right from my wife who's here, the better half, who's actually the most important person in my life, who gives enough strength to build whatever that I am today. All of you who have been instrumental in the journey right from my early days, I think I'm indebted to each one of you. And I think this journey is something which is going to bring laurels not only to the investors, but it will even give pride, and we will strive to do so, to each one of you who are connected to us and even others who look forward to a great journey ahead. We would look forward in the way that SME and MSME, as rightly said by Agwal Sahab, that is a major contributor to the nation, and we will strive that we also contribute to the 5 trillion economy of the country. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. The countdown will begin shortly. I invite all the dignitaries to be present near the bell. 3, 2. A huge round of applause for the opening, please. The company has listed at 187.99 rupees. Again, a huge round of applause. Plus 22%. A huge round of applause for that. I request Mr. Ashish Goel, Vice President of NSE, to please present the listing certificate to our company promoters. A round of applause, please, for the listing certificate. I would like to ask Mr. Ashish sir to also present the listing bell to our company promoters. A huge round of applause, please. I request the Narnolia team to come forward for a picture, please. I request Narnolia team to please come forward for a picture. I would like to call upon the Yudiz team for a picture, please. I request the Yudiz team to please come forward for a picture. Thank you all. I request the audience to please settle down. Audience, I request all of you to please settle down. All the people that are still standing, I request all of you to please settle down. Thank you all. First of all, I heartily congratulate Yudiz on such a humongous success. And to share a few words, I would like to call upon Mr. Bharat Patel, Chairman and Director at Yudiz, to talk about his elation as this success has just been witnessed. Please, sir.
Good morning once again. Not trying to bore you with a few words, but then there were a few things, which I thought I should be speaking about. That this today marks really a significant day for Yudiz and for us as well, because this journey has not been, simple for anybody, but there has been a lot of efforts which go behind this. And with this successful journey, we have seen the nice listing which has come up. This has become just because we have people around us, the support that we get from friends, families, and more importantly, the people who run the organization. I believe, I remember that multiple times that it has been said that the wisdom and the young team that we have. I think this is a very, very important combination that we embark upon. The journey that so far that we have embarked and we have come across to this milestone, I think is purely because of the people behind the company. And, as such, being a chairman of an organization, I had very little role to play. All the important thing was done by our finance team, the HR and management, and the workforce being handled by our young and dynamic Pratik, who's the managing director. We had the execution part of every progress and the work functionality of an organization being handled by our CEO, Chirag. And overall, looking forward to what the organization to grow to is what is being handled by Suraj. So eventually I had no role to play here. So I believe that, all that has been done, I would want to really compliment and congratulate each one of those who have put a lot of efforts, and more importantly, the people behind the organization is the talent. I believe this talent could not have happened just of its own. There are a lot of people who have put a lot of efforts onto this, and these people who have contributed in one way or the other in even bringing this IPO has been humongous. Yudiz has been into the foray, and we have few things which are core to our organization is the ethics and innovation. I think that's the core to this organization, that we believe that the ethics should be put first and innovation should be thereafter put as a bundle or a cover to it. And I think this innovation is leading us to the newer technology that we adopt, and we give the right solutions which are scalable and at the most effective rates capturing the global market. Currently, we have almost around 75 to 80% of the international market, and around 15 to 17% which is the local market. But we believe that with this company getting listed today, we're going to get new avenues are going to open up to scale up the organization to a much better way, and we will create the right wealth for all those who have been investing into us and putting trust into us. I think each one of the investors are going to see the growth in the coming days, and we will have the fullest of efforts in creating this wealth for each one of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Prateek, sir, Managing Director at Yudiz, to please share his experience as well. Please, sir.
એમ તો ઘણા બધા ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટીઝ મળે છે બોલવા માટે, બટ આ પ્લેટફોર્મ આજે એવું છે કે ઘણા બધાને થેન્ક યુ કહેવાનો મોકો મળશે. ભરત સરે જેમ કીધું કે એમને કશું કરવું નથી પડ્યું, બધું અમે કર્યું, એ બહુ ખોટું છે. એ બહુ ગ્રેટફુલી એમને આ કીધું. બટ ભરત સર માટે હું એવું કહીશ તો એ એવા દીવા હતા કે રાતમાં જ્યારે રસ્તો પાર કરવાનો હતો તો આ દીવાના પ્રકાશમાં અમે લોકોએ રસ્તો પાર કર્યો. ચિરાગ માટે હું કહીશ તો એક એવા મોટા ભાઈની જેમ હતો કે ઘણું બધું મારે તો બહુ ફાસ્ટ ભાગવું હોય કે ઊંધું છતું કરવું હોય તો એક મોટા ભાઈ તરીકે હોલ્ડ રાખીને ઘણી બધી વસ્તુઓ ના કરવા દીધી, એના લીધે બી બહુ કામનું હતું. સો થેન્ક यू चिराग ऑल्सो. सूरज भाई के लिए मैं कहूंगा तो वो 100 करोड़ का ऐसा चेक था जो जेब में पड़ा था, जिससे कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि भाई दुनिया जीत जाएंगे. सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक अवर लीडरशिप टीम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल એમ્પ્લોઈઝ માટે હું એવું કહીશ કે એ એવી ફ્રેન્ડશિપ ને એવી ટીમ છે કે જેમની જોડે એમ એન્ટરપ્રિન્યોર કે એમ્પ્લોયની જેમ રિલેશનશિપ નથી, દોસ્તીની રિલેશનશિપ હતી કે બધું કર્યું એ બધાએ ભેગા થઈને જ કર્યું હતું. તો એમને માટે બી હું થેન્કફુલ છું. તમે બધા જ લોકો બેઠા છો, તમારા સપોર્ટ વગર અહીંયા આગળ નથી પહોંચી શકવાના અમે કોઈ દિવસ, અને આજુ આગળ ઘણું બધું જવાનું છે. લાસ્ટમાં ફેમિલી માટે હું ખાસ કહીશ કે અહીંયા સુધી પહોંચવામાં આજે આ જગ્યાએ છે ને તમે લોકો જોવો છો, પણ એના માટે ઘણા બધા કોમ્પ્રોમાઇઝ કરવા પડ્યા હોય છે. વાઈફે ઘણું બધું સહન કર્યું હશે અમારું, સિસ્ટર છે, મમ્મી છે મારા, ઘણા બધા વાર પ્રસંગે એમને સાચવી લીધું છે એટલે અમે લોકો કામ કરી શક્યા, અહીંયા સુધી પહોંચી શક્યા. અને લાસ્ટમાં હું પપ્પાને યાદ કરીને એવું કહીશ કે એક વખત એમને કીધું હતું કે બેટા સ્ટોક માર્કેટમાં આપણે નહીં કશું કરવાનું, બટ આજે પ્રાઉડ ફીલ થાય છે કે સ્ટોક માર્કેટમાંથી આપણે રૂપિયા લીધા છે. થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you so much, sir. I would also like to call upon Mr. Suraj Chokhani, Director at Yudiz, to please share a few words with us. Please, sir.
Very good morning to all of you. I'd like to start with a two-liner. मैं अकेला ही चला था मंजिल की ओर, लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवां बनता गया. This is not for me, but this is for Chirag and Prateek, because they started this journey. Bharat bhai joined them. Much later, I joined them. And now I would like to thank NSC for giving us an opportunity to extend this family of ours. So definitely Narnolia NSC played a bigger role, and each and every one of you who has shown this much of confidence and support in us, let me assure you, we as a team treat you as a family, and we will try and live up to your expectation in every aspect possible. Thank you for your love that you have showered on us, and we will try our best to live up to it. Thank you.
Yudiz is merchant banker, Narnolia and Longview Research. Mr. Pankaj Pasi, director at Narnolia, I would like to call upon the dais to share. Okay, sure.
Good morning, everyone. सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग अस द अपॉर्चुनिटी कि हमने ये काम स्टार्ट किया सूरज सर को बाकी सबको कि दे सिलेक्टेड अस एज अ मर्चेंट बैंकर ऑफ द कंपनी एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द फास्टेस्ट आईपीओ ड्राफ्ट प्रोस्पेक्टस वी हैव एवर फाइल्ड. मतलब हमारे पास ये असाइनमेंट आया था और एक टाइमलाइन आई थी, तो उस टाइमलाइन के अंदर हमें ये काम करना था एंड जो कंपनी ने हमें इसमें सपोर्ट किया that is very good. Everyone, Zarna ma'am, Jay bhai, everyone is just one call away. Suraj sir and Bharat sir, they have sit with us. मतलब पूरा बिजनेस समझाया, सारी चीजें करी एंड काफी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा कंपनी के साथ सर काम करके एंड होपफुली आगे भी हमारा एसोसिएशन ऐसे ही रहेगा. एंड लास्टली आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक एनएससी ऑल्सो, द कंप्लायंस टीम्स ऑफ द एनएससी, चेतन भाई जिन्होंने सपोर्ट किया हमें इस आईपीओ के अंदर. Being the first IPO of Narnolia, that was the first IPO of the Narnolia. So the support given by Chetan bhai and the compliance team of the NSE Mumbai बहुत अच्छा था हमारे लिए and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I would also like to call upon Mr. Chirag Lewa, sir, CEO and Director at Yudiz, to please share your experience. Please, sir.
एक्चुअली ભરત સર અને પ્રતિકે બધું ઓલમોસ્ટ યુડીઝ ડિઝાઇનની કહી જ દીધી છે. બટ વી સ્ટાર્ટેડ યુડીઝ લાઈક વી વર ઇન નિરમા ઇન 2009 અને અમે 4 ફ્રેન્ડ્સ હતા. તો હું, પ્રતિક, તેજસ અને પરવેશ, અને એમની નાની થોટ હતી કે આઈટીમાં કશું કરીએ, કશું આગળ વધીએ, ઇનોવેશન તરફ જઈએ. તો અમે 4 ફ્રેન્ડનો નાનો આઈડિયા હતો અને અત્યારે બહુ વેરી પ્રાઉડ ફીલ થાય છે અને મને લાગે અમારા જીવનનો સૌથી મોટો અચીવમેન્ટ છે આ રહ્યો માઇલસ્ટોન. અને ડેફિનેટલી અમારો આ બહુ નાનો બેબી સ્ટેપ છે અને વેરી મોર અચીવમેન્ટ લાઈક વી આર પ્લાનિંગ. બીજું સ્પેશિયલ થેન્ક ટુ એનએસસી એન્ડ નાનોલિયા ટીમ, મારા પાર્ટનર્સ ભરતભાઈ, પ્રતિક અને સુરજભાઈ, અને ડેફિનેટલી સ્પેશિયલ થેન્ક ટુ યુડીઝ ટીમ જેણે આટલો સપોર્ટ કરીને આટલા આગળ વધ્યા. થેન્ક યુ વેરી.
Thank you to all the sirs for sharing words with us. As Bharat sir rightly said, that this success is not just efforts of few people, but a culmination of efforts by a whole team. And what better way to celebrate and appreciate people's efforts than to award them with appreciation mementos. Mr. Ashish Goyal sir, I would like to request you to present mementos. First of all, I would like to call Mr. Bharat Patel, sir. I request Ashish sir to please present the memento to him. And I request the audience to please give them a huge round of applause. Next is Mr. Pratik Patel, sir. I request Ashish sir to please present the memento to Pratik sir. I request the audience to please give them a huge round of applause. Next, I would like to ask Mr. Chirag Lewa, sir, Director at Yudiz Solutions, I ask Ashish sir to please present the memento to him. Please give them a huge round of applause. Next, I call upon Mr. Suraj Chokhani, Director at Yudiz Solutions Limited. I ask Ashish sir to please present the memento. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ashish sir. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Bharat sir to give the award to National Stock Exchange official, Mr. Ashish Goyal sir. I would like to ask Bharat sir to please present the award to Narnolia Financial Services, Mr. Pankaj sir. Next, I would like to ask Bharat sir to please present the memento to PLS Capital Consultants Private Limited official. Please give them a huge round of applause. I request Bharat sir to remain standing and present the next award to Longview Research, an advisory official. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Prateek, sir, to present award to Ms. Ritul Shukla and Associates. Thank you, sir. I request Pratik sir to remain standing and present our next award to Mr. Vipin Agarwal. I request you to please come on the stage. Mr. Vipin Agarwal. Unfortunately, he is not present here with us today. On behalf of him, Mr. Tarun Tiwari sir will take the award. Thank you so much, Pratik sir. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Chirag Lewa sir to present an award to the Sharmili Daru. Ms. Sharmili Daru. Yes, I request you to please come on the stage. Thank you so much, ma'am. I request Chirag sir to please remain standing and present our next award to Simulations Public Affairs Management Services official. Thank you so much, sir. I request Chirag sir to remain standing and present our next award to Kantilal Chhaganlal Securities Private Limited official. I request sir to please be present on stage to receive the award. Thank you so much, sir. I request Chirag sir to stay standing on the stage and present the next award to Bihari Shah and Company official. Is anyone present here from Bihari Shah and Company? I suppose Jharna ma'am will take it on behalf of Bihari and Shah Company. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Next, I invite Mr. Suraj, sir, to please be present on the stage. First, I would like to call upon Mrs. Zarna Shah, CFO at Yudiz Solutions, to receive the award. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Deepak Jain, sir, CS at Yudiz Solutions, to please be present on the stage and receive the award. Give them a huge round of applause, please. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Rohit Goel, Group Company Secretary, to please come on the stage and receive the award. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Premanand Panda, Group Company CFO, to please come on the stage and receive the award. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. As we come near the end of this event, I would like to thank each and everyone present here for taking out time from your schedules and joining us here, supporting and witnessing the success of Yudiz. And I wish and I hope all the best to Yudiz for all on its future endeavors. I invite you all for high tea now. Thank you very much for being present here. Thank you.